Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Blogger through your Google account. Authenticate fully so you can manage settings. Once signed in, immediately export your blog content. Use the backup content option to download XML and save any media separately, because deletion is often irreversible. Make sure you understand the difference between deleting a single blog versus deleting the Google account itself. This choice affects email, Drive, and other services tied to your account. Take these steps now before continuing. From the Blogger dashboard, go to the specific blog, then Settings, and find Manage Blog. Choose Remove Your Blog. Once there, you'll be asked to confirm removal. This is when you decide whether to permanently delete content or simply remove the blog from your account. Confirm only after you've verified your exported XML and saved media files, because permanent deletion cannot be undone. If you have multiple blogs, repeat for each one, and make sure you log out and double-check your backups once done. If you want to remove everything, go to My Account. Google.com, open Data and Privacy and choose Delete Your Google account. Follow the verification prompts. Review the list of affected services so you know what will be lost, and download any remaining Drive, Photos, or Gmail data first. Once you confirm deletion, the process may be irreversible except for a short recovery window. If something goes wrong, use Google's account recovery immediately. If recovery fails, contact Google support and check your local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.